Good morning, student. How are you? I hope that you you are fine. In study of compounds chapter, means seventh chapter, I had explained already hydrogen chloride gas, hydrochloric acid. Their general method of preparation, their laboratory method of preparation, their physical and chemical properties, and the reaction and their uses. Similarly, I am going to start next compound, ammonia 7th B. Ammonia, you know that molecular formula of ammonia is NH3. Atomic weight will be, see that, nitrogen plus 3 into hydrogen. You know that atomic weight of the nitrogen is 14 plus 3 and hydrogen is 1. That is 17 AMU, atomic mass unit. Now, formation, you know that electronic configuration of nitrogen 2 and 5, atomic number is 7, hydrogen 1. See that nitrogen having 5 electron in their outermost shell, Kl. Electronic configuration. What do you mean by electronic configuration? Already given. The arrangement of electron in different cell is known as electronic configuration. Atomic number, total number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom is known as atomic number, and mass number, total number of nuclei present in the nucleus of an atom is called mass number or atomic mass. See that nitrogen having 5 electrons in outermost shell. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already I have explained this one in chemical bonding chapter. How many hydrogen in ammonia? 3 hydrogen. 1 hydrogen this side, this side, this side. How many electron in hydrogen? Only 1 electron. See that duplet of hydrogen is completed. And octet of nitrogen also completed. Octet means 8 electron. See, duplet of hydrogen, nitrogen having 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. See that this is called electron dot diagram or Lewis dot diagram. Now, this is molecular formula of hydrogen. See, nitrogen having 2 electrons, excess electron, that is not share. These electrons are called lone pair electron. Already I have explained one lone pair electron. Okay, these electrons are called lone pair electron. So this is structural formula of the ammonia. And you know that ammonia is polar covalent compound. Means ammonia is a polar covalent compound. See that because ammonia solution after ionization it gives NH4 plus and OH minus. Due to presence of, say that, positive and negative charge, that is a weak electrolyte, means partially allow electric current pass through them. Now, preparation of ammonia. First of all, Joseph Priestley in 1774. Joseph Priestley in 1774. Joseph Priestley. Already I had explained about that. Priestley. In 1774, he prepared ammonia with the Slag line with sal ammoniac. Slag line means calcium hydroxide. Means salt ammoniac means ammonium chloride with calcium hydroxide. See that it's form calcium chloride. Calcium chloride. See that water and ammonia gas 2NH3 B6. See that ammonia gas. He prepared first, but he don't know the name of this gas, so he said that this gas is alkaline air. Alkaline air or alkaline gas. Afterward, in 1785, Berthelot, he studied the chemical composition of gas. Only in 1774, Joseph Priestley prepared this gas with the help of slag line with salt ammonia, and he given the name of this gas is alkaline air. Okay. In 1775, Berthelot only studied the composition of this gas, but not given the name. Afterward, in 1800, Debye studied the composition. In 1800, Debye studied the composition of this gas and said that this gas is the compound of nitrogen and hydrogen. This gas is the compound of nitrogen and hydrogen and having basic nature, means alkaline nature, and then he given the name of this gas ammonia. Where you occur the ammonia? Actually, in your book given, ammonia occur in atmospheric air and natural water. See that bacterial decomposition of the nitrogenous thing, bacterial decomposition or decay of nitrogenous fertilizer, nitrogenous thing, you will find the ammonia. One more example, if you just move any dairy farm, okay, you will find some smell. Okay, some smell in near the dairy farm. Yes, that smell is the smell of ammonia. Sometimes when you are moving your washroom toilet, you are also finding the smell of that. Getting the smell, that is the ammonia. In combining state, ammonia occur in many compounds. Means occurrence of ammonia in combining state, ammonia occur in many compounds like, see that ammonium sulfate, ammonium chloride, ammonium sulfate, ammonium carbonate, diammonium phosphate. Means many compounds are there, you can find ammonia in combining state. Generally, you know that this in earth class you have studied, means when nitrogen react with hydrogen, this reaction is not easy process, then it's give ammonia gas. What are the conditions required here? I will explain this preparation in the Haber process. First of all, see that page number 163, last line given, ammonia in combining state, ammonia occur in ammonium salt and ammonical liquid obtained by destructive distillation of coal are two important sources of ammonia. Remember that ammonium salt and ammonical liquid. This is obtained by destructive distillation of coal. In earth class and ninth class you have studied. In destructive distillation of the coal, these are the two sources: ammonium salt, just I say ammonium sulfate, ammonium chloride, diammonium phosphate, tetraamine, copper sulfate, diamine, copper chloride, many compounds are there. And second one, ammonium liqueur, ammonia liqueur. These are the two sources underlying this one in the combining state. Okay, after that I will explain you laboratory preparation of the ammonia in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.